Hey folks, Adam here. We've got a fantastic little device that's working in the background completely silently, filtering my kitty litter so I don't have to. It's completely safe. It's designed to deodorize. It's safe for cats of all sizes, and I love it, and I know you're going to love it as well. So what makes this absolutely fantastic? First off, it's easy to set up. All you have to do, take it out of the box, a couple little spots go here and there, and it's good to go. Literally took about 2 minutes to set up. Then on top of that, the deodorizing system. This has done a great job getting rid of those stinky kitty litter smells. Now on top of that, this is going to help you save litter, because litter can get expensive. Litter isn't cheap. And this is only filtering out the bad litter, putting it away, and then you don't have to worry about it because only the good litter remains. So that's super awesome. It also filters out all those bad parts. It's going to get rid of the stink, and it's going to put it to where you can take it out every once in a while. This is perfect for people who are on the go, who don't have time to be constantly changing litter. It's also unobtrusive. The cats will exactly know how to use it the moment you get it. And I tell you what, it is a real treat for my cats. Honey Cat couldn't wait to get inside of it. Neither could Sirius, and neither could Sabbath. Now, this is a perfect size for either large or small cats. And yeah, this levels for you. It does the work for you. And it keeps the litter clean, which means that you don't have to worry about it. Right now, it's going through its sanitizing cycle. And again, it's ultra quiet. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now, folks, one of the things I like very much about this is it puts the waste away right here into individual bags. And when that's done, you can just swap out those bags. And you don't have to do it very often. This will last you about 2 weeks. So that means if you're going on vacation, you've got a rough work schedule, you're not around all the time, your cats will be taken care of. They don't have to worry about it. And we all know a dirty litter box is what causes a kitty cat to start spraying outside in places they shouldn't. So a nice clean litter box is going to keep your house safe of pet debris as well. Now in the back, there's a built-in air purifier and deodorizer. That's going to mean that you don't have to worry about the smell. Can you imagine if your kitty litter device actually makes your air smell better, not worse? That's fantastic. Then if you look right here, you've got all of the commands built in. It also has access to an easy to use app, but yeah, you can control this right here to where if you need to go ahead and run it, you can press a button and it again does the work for you. Of course, the app is very convenient. You have the fresh air option or the deodorizing liquid to work like a high-powered air purifier or to actually deodorize. You have the clean mode, the empty mode, and you can even level it. And yeah, you can truly control this with auto cleaning, scheduled cleanings, manual cleanings. You can even delay the cleanings. All right, folks, it's also very nice that you can just open this up. You can grab the bag, and you don't have to actually touch any of the gross stuff inside, so very easy to open up. And this does all the work for you, so very convenient there. So easy peasy, this is a great device, and it's only going to filter out that bad litter, so you don't have to worry about it wasting litter. If I go ahead and I'm scooping, I'm probably wasting tons of litter in every single scoop, but this does it for me. I also love the design. They've just done a great job to where the litter doesn't get everywhere. My other litter boxes seem to get that litter just about everywhere. Now, folks, something else that I love about this is the modern design. It is a good-looking device, and the entrance is large enough for even your bigger kitty cats to where they can go in it and they don't have to worry about it. Also, with this step right here, your little kitty cats can go ahead and check it out. On top of that, it's perfectly safe. Some of these have some pinching doors, they'll close on them. There's all sorts of things where your cat isn't completely safe. And let's face it, when you have a cat this cute, you want them completely safe. You want them to enjoy their litter box and have a good time because they are your best friends We love them. We love our cats around here, and we want the best for them. And that's an important thing, is that this is a brand that we absolutely love. When it comes to great brands, we absolutely love and support this brand. They've had our back from the beginning. We've got fun cats, and we want to make sure that we've got the best cat devices on the planet. Folks, I couldn't back this company more than I do, because they've done a great job giving us a device that keeps our cats happy and healthy. And you know, with the app, I absolutely love the fact that the app is monitoring our cats' weights, making sure that they're healthy, and making sure that they're taken care of. Even if we're on vacation or on a trip, we can get on Wi-Fi, and we can know everything about our good kitten friends. And folks, I do want to point out that it uses radar to sense when your cat is coming and make sure they don't get pinched. It'll stop movement to make sure they don't get pinched when they're going inside. So just a smart design there. All right, folks, I want to give you my final 2 cents on this product. There are a lot of kitty litter devices on the market today. This is the first one I saw that did the purification like it does. The deodorizer on this works fantastically. It really works swimmingly, and that makes me very happy. Makes me happy because cats are great, but you don't want a stinky cat, you don't want a stinky house, and this is going to get rid of that stink. That's nice. Now, because we've got to the point in our social media career that we have a little bit of pull around here. We've been able to get you some information about the pre-launch. We're going to put that in the description. It's going to get you the best price and the best information right there. So I'm going to ask you to go ahead and check that out. If you're looking to launch your whole day, your year, your cat life, this is a great opportunity for you. A very good brand that I've grown to trust and love. A device that truly works, and I'm going to get you the best price I can, okay? I'm going to get you the best price in the market for that pre-launch. I'm going to get you all the information. All you have to do is click the link in the description below. If you get this in a couple months, if you watch it in a couple months, we'll get you all the information to the post-launch, okay? So just check that out. This is really important. This is a nice device. Also, you can take out and rinse off with a hose. You can rinse out the actual main portion of the device, which keeps it nice and clean as well. So I like the fact that it empties out. It has a large bin. It has a deodorizer. I like the fact that it's safe for your cats. I like the fact that it's going to keep your cats from having messes. They're not going to be afraid to get into it. This one's a winner. It's a no-brainer. And the fact if you haven't switched over to an automatic litter device using the latest AI and technology to keep track of your cats on the app, I don't know what you're doing. If you're still scooping litter with your hands, like with a spatula, this is the time to switch over. All right. Very sincerely recommend that you go pick this up. It's a good product. It's a winner. Again, we've grown to the point where we don't have to show you products that don't work. And this one is great. It's an elite product. It's made it to that level of status. Great engineers, and everyone I've worked with at that company are really winners. All right. Just wanted to be sincere at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Go pick one up, and goodbye, my friends.